The following video is an unboxing and assembly video for the Launcher AC950 Plus AC service machine, a dual gas service machine for both R134A and 1234YF gases with a double tank flushing system. Completing this assembly requires one technician and the following tools: flat and Phillips screwdriver, and a 10mm ratchet wrench. The Launcher AC950 Plus AC service machine comes in one wooden box on a skid. With a flat screwdriver, lift the metal tabs all around the bottom rim on all sides of the panels. Then have two people lift up the wooden housing lid from the bottom skid, as lifting a hat. Move the housing lid away, and ensure there is a clear space available to safely assemble the AC service machine. Notice that the machine is wrapped within a safety film, and that its component parts are in boxes within the package. Dismount the AC service machine off the skid carefully with the help of one other person. Check the parts before you start assembly. Parts checklist: 2 sets of long hoses, high and low pressure. 1 set of short hoses, high and low pressure. 2 packages of quick connectors, red and blue. 2 supply tank adapters for 2 types of gases, R134A and 1234YF gas. 2 screws for the external tank installation. 1 power cable. 1 machine cover. 1 external tank. 1 extra filter. Prepare your surrounding assembly space. A clear area of 100 square feet is recommended for safe and efficient assembly. First, install the front pressure long hoses. Match the hose color to connect color on the front of the machine and tightly screw them on. Next, install the 4 quick connect adapters at the other end of the 4 long hoses. Match the gas type on the quick connector to the same gas type shown on the input connector of the machine. Next, open the back of the machine. Remove the foam pads from around and under this tank. Make sure that the red and blue valves of the pre-installed main tank are in open mode. Important! You must locate and loosen a 10mm screw from beneath the scale of the main tank. Next, install the external tank. Make sure the back door is closed. Remove the tank from its package. Place it on the black shelf extending from beneath the black cabinet. This black shelf has another scale to install the external tank on. Using the 2 screws provided, attach the external tank onto the scale by screwing it on firmly through the 2 slots on the sides of the scale. Next, connect the external tank to the machine by tightly screwing the provided short hoses to the matching color connector on the sidewall of the AC service machine. Then connect the other end of these short hoses to the matching color valve on the external tank. Make sure both external tank valves are in open mode. Finally, plug in the power cable. Connect it to electricity, and power on the machine.